with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me.
So I'm trying to show my full outfit, but it's just not giving me. Halloween. We're ready to go for our first Halloween party. Got already late, but I'm done. Period.
In the process.
Running back to my old life, but it leaves it burning. Speaking tongues in my head, yeah, that's the way you want it. She called me baby, you're not wasting time. But how could I let her go? Don't you know I might adore you? I'm gonna make the time move slower.
So I literally just made like a whole video and it turns out I wasn't filming. Ouch. Anyways, I was talking about my outfit, my Halloween outfit. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys have been. I was talking about my channel. Hope you guys have been enjoying it. Anyways, this is actually the third time. Well, I was talking about my Halloween. I don't even know how to start it anymore. Anyways guys, what's up? I hope you have been enjoying my content so far. Just like I said, I'm going to be changing content, switching it up. Let's just see what the algorithm rates towards the new content I'll be posting, and then I'll see how it goes from there. I went to the Halloween party yesterday. It was nice. You saw my outfit. I was supposed to be a vampire girl. Yeah, I gave my news yesterday too, right? So I was supposed to be a vampire girl yesterday, and I ended up being my regular self. So I'm just like, no need for outfit. It was a really fun event, outing, get to meet people. It was really nice. It was really, really nice. So today is Sunday. I got to sleep a little. Yeah, Lagos can be a lot of fun when you really want to like be out there. And I feel like this is the time, despite the pressure, the heat on me, this is the time that I really want to like, out there, get to enjoy myself, because I feel like I'm never going to be this again. So, but I'm not going to cross the limits. I'm just going to like enjoy myself. Anyways, yeah. So I have like a concert kind of event to go to. It's literally raining outside. I don't know what the plan is going to be, but I'm going with my friends. And I'm about to go get dressed, as you can see. So yes, let me get dressed. See you guys in a minute. And don't forget, if you're new, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Let me know if you have been liking my content so far. I'm open to opinions in the comment section. I'm reading, so catch you guys later. Let's get dressed. Okay guys, so I just got ready and we're literally late, so I probably won't be saying anything before we go there. But yes, I'll see you guys when we get to the location. My friends are waiting for me right now. The Uber guy is outside. And that is Slim Shorty Africa. So guys, I'll see you guys at the concert. I just got ready and my makeup took a little more time than I expected, but
Where are you?
I was actually trying to get to better lighting, but we just got here.
Gave you everything when we got back to nothing.
Turn it up, turn it up.
I always love you.
1, 2, say what?
Ooh, baby.
So sometimes I feel like blonde hair part to me doesn't really like go. I don't know how I look, but check. Anyways guys, it's been an amazing time ever since I went to the carnival, from the Halloween party to the carnival, and I haven't really been able to vlog since then. And I feel like it's going to be weird just ending the video like that. I enjoyed my time, like I absolutely love every okay, I wouldn't really say I love every bit of the time that I spent there. Let me say like 70% of the time I was complaining that I wanted to go home because my shoes hurt, like my legs hurt, my shoes was like too tight, and it just felt like we were going to be standing all through. It's called a block party, but then it felt like we were going to be standing all through, and apparently that's how it usually goes, and I had no idea because it was like my first time. But all the same, I had fun. I was able to see a few artists before actually living there. Like I literally just like looked to Aruba, I'm like, no, this is not for me. Anyways, I'm about to end my Lagos video here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to keep subscribing, keep watching my videos. I have so much more coming for you guys. And this weekend I'll be traveling to Ghana, so this is basically me about to pack up. That's why I literally had to end this video. So this is me packing up to leave for my Ghana trip. So I'll see you guys when I get to Ghana. And don't forget, if you're new, subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you in more videos. Hope you're enjoying my Lagos series so far. So anything you want to know about Lagos, because I'm still trying to like settle in, and of course I'm going to be going out soon to get things I'll be needing for my filming space. But for now, I'm taking a short trip. I'm probably a short break. So I'll see you guys around. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to this channel.
Capital J. Capital J. Capital J.